Hello, third graders. This is Miss Kopak. In this short video, we're going to learn a little bit about vocabulary roots. Roots are little word parts. They usually come from different languages, especially Latin and Greek. And when we see these parts in words, it can help us figure out the word's meaning. So, for example, micro is a root that means small, and scope is a root that means to see. So you may have seen a science tool called a microscope. Those roots help me figure out that a microscope helps us see small things. So I can use those roots to determine a word's meaning. And today we're going to look at words that have the root bio. Bio comes from the Greek language, and bio means life. So whenever we see bio in a word, it has something to do with life or living things. Let's look at a few examples. This week, you're reading the book Glow-in-the-Dark Animals on Raz Kids A to Z, and they mention bioluminescent animals. Bio means life or living, and luminescent means emits light or gives light. So when I know what those words and root mean, it helps me figure out that bioluminescent is a living thing that emits light. It gives off light. Here's another example. Antibiotic. You may have gone to a doctor when you were sick and they gave you an antibiotic. Anti means against or opposed, and bio means life or living. So an antibiotic medicine is a medicine that fights against the living bacteria and germs that are in your body. Let's try a few more. Biography. You've heard this word in reading class before. What is a biography? Bio means life, and graph means write, like writing with a paper and pencil. So what is a biography? A biography is a piece of writing about someone's life, just like the book Yo-Yo Ma that you read a couple weeks ago. So we can add another root to this, make it a little bit longer, autobiography. So auto means self, and bio is life, and graph means write. So what is an autobiography? An autobiography is a piece of writing where the author writes about themselves, their own life. Just like this book down here about an astronaut was actually written by that astronaut. How about the word biohazard? Bio means life or living, and hazard means harmful. So if something is a biohazard, that means what? That means it's something that is harmful to living things. And this is the symbol for biohazard. So if you ever see that symbol, you want to stay away. It's very, very dangerous. How about biodiversity? Diversity means a variety of different things. So what is biodiversity? That's when we have a variety of different living things, like different animals and plants. And I have one more for you to try, biology. Now, biology is actually part of the subject of science. And when you get to high school, you'll probably take a class called biology. But what is biology? What does that word mean? Remember, bio means life or living, and the root logi means study, study of. So, what is biology? What does that word mean? You're going to use these roots to come up with your meaning. So when you get into Seesaw, you are going to click the add response button and you're going to tell me what the word biology means based on these roots. Toodaloo, kangaroos.